tell you. Girl, you my little boo thing. So I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Put a little gold in the teeth and the fit good, so I took the doors up deep. Okay, I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get the noise released. Don't take my talking to your own. I can keep it chill like Soviet blonde. I'ma keep it real when your man long gone. If you're looking for a friend and you get the wrong song, baby girl, what's good? What's with ya? If you book tonight, that's fiction. I'm outside, no picture. You want me? Go figure. To the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I know one. Hey, to the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I know one. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Hey, girl, you got me. I'm singing, it's like, oh, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, oh, got the best of mine, right? Oh, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, oh, and that dress on right. You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something fresh, I know.
Let's learn Little Boo Thing. It's choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 6 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending of the dance, and then we're going to go around and dance the entire dance because it is only 7 walls long. So you know how it all flows, and hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Little Boo Thing. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot back, slightly angling ourselves to the right, and then you're going to touch your left next to your right. We're now going to shuffle forward with our left, squaring ourselves back up to 12 o'clock, stepping left, right together, left forward. We're going to step our right foot slightly to the right side, and we're going to sway our hips right, left, and we're going to do a right sailor step, crossing our right behind our left, left foot to the side, right foot to the side, slightly angling your hips to the right. Let's try it with some counts, stepping back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover onto our right foot, and we're going to do a chassé to the left, stepping our left foot side, right together, left side. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto our left, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot, and a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our sailor weights on your right foot, slightly angled to the right. We're cross rocking. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to hop back, and you can slightly push your hips back. So we're going to hop back, right, left, and shake your hips. Now we're going to hop forward, right, left, and shake your hips. We're now going to touch our right toe forward, step our right foot next to our left, and touch our left toe forward. We're going to step our left foot next to our right, step forward with your right foot, and then you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our half back. You're hopping back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we are going to step back with our right foot, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side. We're going to step forward with our left and point our right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, crossing our right over left, step our right foot to the side, cross our right over left. We're now going to do heel bounces that are going to make a full turn. You have the 2 counts to end the dance, as well as your step back to start the dance to really square yourself up back to the 3 o'clock wall. So I want you to think you're bouncing a half and a half. So we're bouncing, you're going half, half, but if you end up slightly off, you're using that back touch to square yourself back up to the wall. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just stepped back. You're doing your back point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 to start the dance all over again. So even if you feel slightly crossed over or not quite at the side wall, you have that back touch to square yourself up. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping back with the right. Back, touch left, shuffle, forward step, sway, sway right, sailor step, cross a rock, recover, side chasse, cross a rock, recover, quarter, half hop back, right, left, shake your hips, hop forward, right, left, shake your hips, tap, step, forward, half, back, point, crossing shuffle, half bounce, back, touch. And you'll continue the dance the rest of the way. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and then you would start the dance all over with your back touch, allowing you to square up. So now, wall 6 is our restart wall, which means we're going to go all the way around, doing a full rotation of the dance, do our front wall, and then when we face the side wall, we're only going to do 16 counts of the dance. So we would be here, we would have just done our bounces. Let's dance that 16 counts. We're going back, touch, shuffle, forward step, side sway, sway, sailor step, cross a rock, recover, side chasse, cross a rock, recover, quarter, half. Right here, you'll be back at 12 o'clock and you will start the dance all over again with your back, touch, and shuffle forward. Wall 7 is your final wall of the dance, which means you will dance the full 32 counts. And when we get to the side wall and you're ready to do your bounces, you are going to add an extra quarter bounce in. So instead of facing 3 o'clock, you'll be facing 12 o'clock. So you would do your bounce, and you would do one more quarter bounce and then step back with the right foot to face 12 o'clock to end the dance. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to do all of the walls so we can dance through that restart and do the ending. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we are going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're stepping back with the right. Back, touch left, shuffle, forward, sway right, left, right, sailor step, cross rock, recover, side chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter, half hop, back, shake your hips, hop forward, shake your hips, tap, step, forward, half, back, point, crossing shuffle, half bounce, back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, back, touch, shuffle forward, sway right, left, right, sailor step, cross rock, recover, side chasse, cross rock, recover, quarter, half hop, back, shake your butt, hop forward, shake your butt, touch step, forward, half back, point, crossing shuffle. Now your bounces, half back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, shuffle forward, sway right, left in your sailor step, cross rock side shuffle, cross rock quarter half, back hop and hop, shake your hips and hop, shake your hips. Tap, step, forward, half back point. Cross point, crossing shuffle. Now your half bounce, bounce, bounce. We're going to dance 16 counts of the dance. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart, back, touch, shuffle forward, sway, sway, and sailor step, cross rock side chasse, cross rock quarter half, hop it back and hop, shake your hips and hop, shake your hips. Tap, step, forward, half back point, crossing shuffle. Now at this point, you're going to do your bounces, but we're going to do 3 of them. That's going to make a full and a quarter. So we're bouncing our heels, bounce, bounce, and then you're stepping back with that right foot to face 12 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. I hope this helped you learn little boo thing. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.